Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to change default task preferences in HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to change your default task preferences, what we need to do is go to the cog in the top right hand corner, press the cog, and then from here all we need to do is go to the general tab up the top here. You usually automatically land on it anyway. And then as you can see here, we've got a few tabs up the top. Just head over to the tasks tab, press tasks, and then as you can see here, we've got our default preferences. So as it stands, when we go to create a new task, our due date will always be in 3 business days. The due time will always be at 8 o'clock and there will never be a reminder. And we've also got a tick to get prompted to create a follow-up task every time you complete a task from a list view. So these may not be applicable to you. And in order to change that, all we need to do is just press the drop down menu here, and then we can go ahead and select a number of different options. So let's say we want to change our default due date to in 1 week's time, because that is the most common due date for our tasks. If we want to change the due date time maybe from 8 o'clock to 9:30 when we've replied to all our emails, etc., maybe that's more applicable. And then again, we can also set a reminder, so change it from no reminder to at task due time, an hour before, day before, week before, etc. I would probably suggest 30 minutes before. That's what's most useful for me, or maybe a day before. It's entirely up to you. And then you can tick or untick to get prompted to create a follow-up task every time you complete a task from a list view. Untick or tick, again, that is up to you. Preferences wise, set preferences for follow-up reminders. It's entirely up to you. Once you've set your new defaults, just press the save button, and then that is automatically done. When you go to create a new task, these will be your default field entries, and that is job done. And that is how to change default task preferences in HubSpot CRM. I hope this video has clearly explained how to change default task preferences in HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.